Hello everyone and welcome to GlitchSep. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Minecraft server with PvP kits in the Java edition. What we need to do is actually very simple. The first step is to open Aternos. Once we're inside Aternos, we need to create a new server. In my case, it doesn't let me create another one because I already have several servers, so I'll delete one of them to make space. After that, we create a new server. At the beginning, it doesn't really matter what name we give it because we can change it later. Once the server is created, we go back to the Servers section and select the server we just made. Next, we go into the Software section and click on Change. Here, we need to select a version called Paper or Bucket. We click on it, choose a slightly lower version just to be safe, and then click Reinstall. Once the reinstallation is complete, the next step is to go to the Plugins section. Inside Plugins, we search for KitPvP. As you can see, there are many different plugins available that allow us to create PvP kits inside our Minecraft server. You can simply choose the plugin you like the most, install it, and that's it. This is how you can easily create PvP kits in your Minecraft server. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to GlitchSep, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.